ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್. ಇವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಇವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ವಿಷಯ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವ್ನಿಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ವಂತೆ.
Please record your voice message. When you are finished recording, you may hang up or press pound for more options.
Hey. I've been thinking about things that make me happy. You know, it's funny. It's never the big things. Not the perfect job or the perfect spot or some number in my bank account. I think about traveling often. Not to check off countries or collect photos, but to feel small again. Feel like I'm just this tiny part in this larger world. And how good it feels to get a little lost. I want to live messy, beautiful, simple, with the people I love, with the things that inspire, things that keep me going, that make me work hard, day after day. I think that's what makes me happy. That's all. Love you.
ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಯಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು ಇದು ಹೋಗ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಿತ್ಕೋ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.